Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. So Bitcoin did have a little bit of a roller coaster ride today, including the general crypto market. Eventually not much happened because price-wise we haven't really made much progress. But yeah, there was this fake news about the Bitcoin ETF. In the end, that was all confirmed fake news. So yeah, Cointelegraph have to deal with that now. But it probably was the source of the spike because there was a lot of FOMO kicking in, yeah, a lot of speculation. It was in the end a bit of a pump and dump, and we basically ended where we started. And that's certainly not bullish. I mean, nevertheless, the break below micro resistance that we had has caused me obviously to put this bullish scenario onto the chart, which I am observing still, yeah. And if we get a fourth wave and a fifth wave, it should take us into the region around 31, 32K. I don't believe it at this stage. Yeah, I don't believe it. Either way, you know, we need 5 waves up, 3 waves down, you know that, for confirmation that a lasting low has been established on the 11th of September. Until then, I count this primarily as a high B wave. Count it as a B wave where an A wave bottomed on the 11th of September. I have actually just shifted that across, yeah, with wave A here, then an A, B, C structure in wave B. That C wave could be done. And I mean, you know, I can't rule out it goes higher, but with that news event today, which was the sole, you know, the only cause for the spike apparently, and it, you know, when the fake news were confirmed, or when it was confirmed that it was fake news, then it just dumped again. So that's not bullish, you know, and therefore I'm thinking, okay, maybe we just did get this higher B wave, which is acceptable because as I showed you on the daily chart, the B wave could extend higher still easily. And on the daily chart, we now have a pretty nice potential head and shoulders forming. So the shoulders are quite huge now, but it's valid, you know. Not sure if it's going to work out in the end, but we have a left shoulder head, yeah, and the right shoulder. In the end, you know, it retraced quite a bit. And it sort of has not broken resistance. So, but back to the shorter time frame, we talked in the previous video about the idea that the yellow wave count is still preferred until we have 5 waves up, 3 waves down, you know the routine. And that this strong rejection, there you see it, looked quite impulsive. Yeah, this move down, I count that as circle wave 1 of wave C. Where are we? Here. And basically Cointelegraph caused or lifted the target for wave C of Y of 2 a little bit. It's probably ending closer to 24K now than 22K due to the height of the B wave. So yeah, Cointelegraph just sort of influence that a bit, and that just has to do with the Fibonacci extensions, right? So, and because I'm counting wave 1 of wave C as quite impulsive, we said in the last video, we were down here, that probably we should now see a bit of a recovery rally, a bit of a relief rally into the target zone between 28,597 and 29,517. More likely, at least to the 50% retracement level, so 28,865 should be the start, because typically wave 2s should go to the 50% fib level. We basically reached that, but generally this is the standard retracement area for a wave 2. We have already had an initial reaction, but so far nothing impulsive to the downside from here yet. But the move up looks overlapping and corrective. So at the moment, I'm counting that as a corrective wave 2. It takes a break above 29,517 to confirm something more bullish in the white wave count, okay? So we will have to take it more seriously, this white wave count, if we get a break above 29,517. But for now, I have no evidence that we go there. Still have to consider it, of course, due to the size and the magnitude of today's move, but I'm clearly watching now for potential reactions in this resistance area to start wave 3 to the downside. Yeah, that's everything today. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.